In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change paragraph spacing in Figma. Start by opening your design so you can see the text you want to work on. Make sure you are on the canvas with the correct file and frame visible. Next, click directly on the text layer you want to modify. You'll know it's selected when you see the bounding box and the text properties appear in the right-hand panel. Remember, changes you make here apply to the selected layer. So be sure you've picked the exact text element you want to adjust. Now look to the right sidebar, in the Design panel, and find the Typography section. This is where Figma groups all of the key text controls. To access the detailed options we need, click the Settings icon, labeled Type Settings. It's a small gear icon that expands additional type controls beyond the basics you see at first glance. Inside that panel, under the Basics section, you'll see paragraph spacing. This setting controls the space added after each paragraph break in your selected text. It's different from line height, which controls spacing between lines inside a single paragraph. Paragraph spacing is ideal for creating clear separation between blocks of text without having to insert extra returns or adjust line height. To change it, you have two simple options. You can enter a specific pixel value if you already know the spacing you want, which is great for consistency across a design system. Or, if you prefer a more visual approach, click and drag the control beside the field to increase or decrease the spacing. As you adjust, keep your eyes on the canvas. You'll see the change in real time, which makes it easy to dial in a value that feels right for your layout and content length. That's it. Thanks for watching.